In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 to trade Forex or stocks or other commodities as the case may be. This tutorial will enable you to master the trading platform as quick as possible. Now, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 is made up of 4 major components plus the taskbar. Now, let's begin with the taskbar. The taskbar is all of these areas that you see like this. They are called the taskbar. Then the first item we have here is the file. The file enables you to log into a trade account. For example, if you have 2 trade accounts, you will be able to log into one. For example, you can log into a trade account here. Now, let's look at view. View enables you to view chart as full screen if you desire to do so. For example, you can click on this. You will be able to view your screen as full screen. If you want to return back, you go back to the view again and click on full screen. It will return back to how it was before. Insert enables you to insert your indicators. Enables you to include indicators of your choice. They could be trend indicators or oscillators, form of indicators. That is what it enables you to do. Now you have the chart. The chart enables you to, to pick the type of chart you want. For example, it could be the candlestick like this, or the line chart or bar chart. But the most appropriate is the candlestick. So candlestick is what we'll be using, and it is very necessary that you master the candlestick. So you can also pick the time frame or templates from this angle. See your time frame templates, they are all here. You can make use of it at any time. You also have the tools. The tools enables you to interact with MetaPool company and access their signals or other market offerings which they may have. You see it. We also have the windows. The windows enables you to see various symbols and forex pairs that are on the current window. You can see here I have Euro USD, USD CHF, GBP USD, and USD JPY. They are all on my current chart. You can see it here. These are all that was displayed there. You can see you can see also the windows from this angle. You also access help from here. Help enables you to require assistance from the MetaPool company or any other subject matter or anything you may want to know about, especially their product or their services. That is it. Let's look at the other 4 components. Number 1, we have the market watch component. That is this area here. You can see it. So what does that do? It enables you to see all the instruments or the currency pairs that the broker has on the offering. You should be able to add any one of your choice. If it is not there already, you should be able to add it manually. For example, if I type something like this, it will be showing, and I will pick any one of my choice. This is the first one is silver. The second one is gold. If I can pick any one of my choice, if I know the name of the instrument or the currency pair or even stocks that I want to track, and type the name, and it will show there, and it will be included in my market watch. I can also right click and then go to show all, and to be able to show me all the instruments and the currency pair that this broker have. So I'll be able to add them. And once it is added, if you want to trade them, I want it to appear on this window. What you do is you go to it and then you right click, just go to chart window. Once you click chart window, it will automatically come onto this page where I'll be able to have access to them, and I'll be able to trade them. So that is the market watch for you. Once it is on this window, you'll be able to go to any one of them that you want. So from here, you can enable it to come to this window and that is that. Number 2 is the navigator panel. The navigator panel is this area here. It's called the navigator panel. The first thing we have there is the account tab. This account tab shows you all the accounts that you have there. If you have more than 1 or 2 accounts, you can simply log to any one of them of your choice when you click on it. The second is the indicator. The indicator tab enables you to see all the indicators that are available. It could be the trend indicators or oscillators indicator. Any of the indicators you want to be able to have access to it through this angle. So we have another one called the expert advisors. This enables you to see all the expert advisors that are available here within the platform. Any advisor you have included in your platform or which you may have bought with money and install, you will be able to have access to them through this angle. So that is the expert advisor. And the all other areas are not really, all these other areas are not really necessary, so it's not worth going into it. So from the expert advisors, you can simply trade with them if you desire them. Personally, myself, I don't use expert advisors. I simply trade with price actions, and that is okay, very much okay for me. The third component I want to talk about is the trade panel. The trade panel is all of these places that you have seen here. All of these places called the trade panel. What does it do? It lists all the trades that you have entered into, which are currently ongoing. You can, if you look at my chart here, you notice that I have ongoing trades and they're all listed here, and all of them are currently in profit. I can close any of them with this button here. I can choose to close them, but for the meantime, I don't want to close them. They are still ongoing. So this is the trade panel, and that is the first item I have under it. Is called trade, and when you click on it, you see all the trades listed here. The next one is the exposure, which shows how far I am currently exposed to the currency pair or the commodities that I am trading. It shows the level of my risk and exposure. History shows you all the history of trades that you have entered and closed. All of the trades that you have closed so far will be displayed here on the history. Look at the ones I've entered and closed so far within the day. They are all shown here, so that I'll be able to look at them and see how much I've made so far. The news tab shows all the news that are ongoing, that are the news that are trending at the moment. You will see them, and such news are likely to have bearing or impact on ongoing trades. So you have to read them and be aware of it. You have the mailbox. These are personal messages that your trading platform may send you, and if you look at it, you should be able to know what they are talking. It could be message from the meter quote company themselves, the designers of the platform that we are currently using. The calendar shows a list of events that are going to come up in the coming days, and the events that are still current. If, for example, there may be holidays that are upcoming. Through this channel, through this icon, you'll be able to get to see them. So that is half of calendar, and it is constantly being updated so that you'll be keep in the know about what is to come in the coming days. It could be news that may have tremendous impact on your trading, so you need to check them from time to time and see what is on board. There are some all other icons here. Some of them are really not necessary, and they will jump them and go to the next one, which I think you may be interested or you may need. This is expert. It gives you a history of all the expert advisors you have on your on the platform, or the expert advisors you must have installed by yourself or you must have bought with money. If you have installed any of them and activated them, there will be, from here you have access to them. And this is the journal. It shows you a history of all that has transpired in the MetaTrader platform from time immemorial. Any updates you'll be able to find them there, and all other updates that may come up from time to time, you'll be able to find them there. Let's look at the final component I want to talk about, which is the chart panel here. This area that you're seeing is called the chart panel. So the chart panel enables you to place trade. You can see here it has sell button, it has buy button at the upper left hand corner where you can click buy or you click sell, and your trade will automatically be entered for you in the like manner. So you can actually view the chart panel in any form that you want. For example, I have 4 charts, and in this window you see here another chart, you see another chart, you see another chart, you see here also another chart. You can view them in a quadrangle form, where you'll be able to see all of them at the same time, or you can view them as a single chart. So that is what the chart is doing. So if you want to place trade, you simply simply go to any of the chart of your choice and then place your trades, and you'll be able to monitor your trade and see how your trade is running. I urge you to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Finance Masterclass, so that we continue to bring you very simple but highly informative tutorials to enhance your trading skills. Thank you.